We need few things: Arduino board, soil moisture sensor module, jumper wires, software program, breadboard, LED in case. Now we have Arduino board and soil moisture sensor modules. Now we have two make connections. A0 to A0, ground to ground, VCC to 5 voltage because it is analog data. Now we have to make connections. Now we are making connections. Now we have made connections A0, ground voltage. So we must just we put it into the side. Now if we need LED blinking like based on temperature data, if temperature data is less than 24 degrees Celsius or something, based on that we can do like blinking of LED or water pump or something. Any device, output device we can use here. Now we have taken A0 analog signal, temperature data, LED for digital pin 2. Now serially we are we are checking sending data 960. Pin mode the temperature sensor we are a analog input and LED is output. Now we are reading this temperature sensor data using analog read API. And then we are mapping this temperature data 0 to 100 degrees Celsius. Now we are printing, serially we are printing this temp data. Here we are blinking based on the condition like temperature is less than or equal to 24, then we are blinking the LED here. Now we need to save it, compile it, load. Loading is done. If we see temperature is 22, so LED will blink based on this soil moisture sensor data.